Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm your host, Mzjwan Oppong, and for today I'm going to talk about how to do this new feathered eyebrow thing that's going on. In my previous video, if you watch my eyebrows, you could see that I had started doing it and it was looking very nice. I learned it from Shades and Brushes. She's a huge makeup artist in Ghana here, so I'm going to attempt to do it and then see how best we can come up with it. Starting off with the eyebrow pencil, and I'm using the brow pencil from Mzjwan Beauty, and it's in the shade Ebony. That's the one I'm using. They have 3 shades: coffee, brown, wooden, and ebony. Ebony is the darkest shade, so that's what I'm starting off with. So I'm just outlining my brows. And it goes on very well and easy. There's a spoolie at the other side, so it makes it very easy to just brush through your hairs and blend everything together. You get what I mean? So the next step is to go ahead and then outline your brows, and I'm using my fawn concealer from Eyebrow Cosmetics. That's what I'm going to use to outline my brow or carve out my brow. So now the next step to do is to set the hairs, and I'm going to use my Mzjwan brow gel to set my brow hairs. So now the next thing to do is to pick your concealer. That's the fawn concealer that I'm using, and a very small like lip brush, a very small brush. You pick that. Okay. So you pick your concealer from the brush, or you come anywhere that your concealer is, and then you start mimicking. You start going in from the root. Draw a straight line up. You get it? You leave spaces in between. I just decide to go in with the spoolie side and then just brush everything together so it doesn't look really fake. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and I think we are really done with the tutorial. I'm not going to do my face today, so this is the end of the tutorial. I hope it was much helpful and you learned a lot from it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.